design,
we build,
we convert,
and we hire. BTHS was born from the ambition to partner with our customers to creatively design, convert and rent vehicles.
guaranteeing the highest standards of workmanship and quality.
and always with safety in mind.
While setting out our vision, we wanted to ensure
That we were listening to our customers.
Valuing their exacting expectations and requirements.
be that through the designing, the manufacturing,
or the hiring of the vehicles.
Providing our specialist resources of vehicles, the reputation of BTHS as a national quality vehicle supplier has grown significantly.
By continuing to invest in the specialist conversion of vehicles and equipment, BTHS is ensuring that its valuable network of UK customers is being supported with constantly evolving industry-leading solutions.
BTHS vehicles are defined by a passion to provide both products and services to our customers that are consistent with our ethos of safety and quality.
these twin pillars underpin our entire ethos.
Utilising our partnerships with various funding providers, BTHS can also offer our customers the facility to improve their current fleet.
Providing the flexibility to invest in new,
Used,
Or hired specialist vehicles.
So what about BTHS and our vision for the future?
As a company, we shall continue to listen.
Listen.
listen,
To listen,
To listen,
listen to our customers.
because through collaborative partnerships with our customers, we will continue to design and develop innovative solutions.
Driven by a passion to meet the ever-changing needs of our valued customers.
BTHS's dedicated team will lean on our pillars of safety and quality whilst continuously engaging in new product creation.
This product development program will remain core to providing vehicle solutions from BTHS
That are relevant, evolutionary and reflect sustainability.
we design,
We build,
we convert,
And we hire.
born from our initial ambition to be the best that we can be. BTHS will continue its investment in people.
An example of this is our commitment to the real living wage, one of the many accreditations of which we are immensely proud.
we will continue to be personal,
Honest.
Creative.
Committed,
Responsive.
and we are innovative.
We will continue to be BTHS.
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 You can't do that. It's not dialed in now. We are responsive and we are innovative. Is that not how you say it? Yeah, it is. Innovative. We are innovative.
Listen. Nearly forgot my line.
Nice.